Welcome everyone to this epic showdown. It's Paddle Shredder versus Topspin Tornado. Two table tennis titans ready to clash. Expect blazing smashes, lightning fast rallies, and some serious net action. Buckle up, because this match is going to be a wild ride. We're off with a beautiful rally, but TT's backhand decides to take a scenic route outside the table. Boom! Shredder's forehand smash backs a punch, and TT's return is heading for a different postal code. Oh, a slick backhand from TT. Shredder's out of bounds, probably looking for directions back. Another TT backhand, and this one's flying wide like a frisbee on a windy day. TT with a topspin, but the net pulls a surprise move and says, "Not today!" Shredder unleashes a forehand smash, and TT's still wondering where the ball went. GPS, maybe? Whoa! Shredder gets lucky with a net kiss. TT wasn't expecting that one to dribble over. TT serves, but Shredder smashes it right back at him. TT might need a helmet for these. Shredder lines up a forehand smash with all his might and sends it crashing into the net. Oof! Another crisp serve from Shredder, and TT's return goes straight into the abyss outside the table. TT misses the easiest shot of the match, and Shredder wraps it up with style. Shredder dominated round one. Let's dive right into round two and see if TT can turn the tide. Shredder kicks things off with an unforced error, hitting the ball into the net. Epic rally. Back and forth they go until TT ruins the fun by sending the ball into the net. Oops! TT's topspin attempt? Well, the net has made another friend today. Shredder smashes a forehand with pure power, and the ball's barely visible as it rockets past TT. Chop, chop! It's a slicing rally, but TT sends the ball sailing outside the table. He's chopping it all wrong. Shredder unloads a powerful forehand. TT returns it beautifully, but Shredder follows up by sending it straight into the net. And Shredder smashes again. This time TT's return is MIA, flying way off the table. Shredder tries a forehand, but this one's gone rogue and headed outside the table. Forehand from Shredder. TT returns, but Shredder chops it right back. TT sends his return flying out of the arena. TT with another misstep. He misses an easy one. He must be kicking himself. Shredder with a forehand, but it takes an unexpected vacation outside the table. A great rally in progress. TT sends a forehand, and Shredder's return decides to hit the highway outside the table. TT tries a forehand topspin, but Shredder sends the ball to the net. Not looking good. TT attempts a topspin, but it sails wide outside the table. Forehand from Shredder, but the ball's gone wide. Deuce time, folks! Shredder tries a backhand, but it's way off target, flying outside the table. Shredder fires off a forehand, and TT fumbles the return to another deuce. We're neck and neck now. TT hits a forehand, and Shredder's return can't find the table. Advantage TT. It's chop chop time again. And Shredder places a flawless forehand into the corner. Beautiful placement! TT tries a topspin, but it's gone wide again. Shredder's forehand looks like it's been launched into space. NASA, are you watching? And another blunder from TT as he misses a sitter. That one's going to haunt him. Nice serve by TT. Shredder's return crashes into the net. The net is definitely winning today. Shredder sends another one out of bounds. Looks like he's losing his grip on this round. And again, Shredder sends the ball flying off the table. What a comeback by Topspin Tornado! After a shaky start, TT claims round 2. The final round is here. Both players are bringing their A game, but who will take the crown? What a rally to start things off, but Shredder sends the ball flying outside the table. TT's topspin forces a wide return from Shredder. TT's topspin smacks the net, unlucky. TT goes for a backhand and completely misses. TT sends a forehand topspin, and Shredder's return is on a space mission. Chop rally ends with TT sending the ball into the net. TT with a forehand, and Shredder's return. Ouch! It hits TT right in the body. Guess that's a friendly fire moment. Another net shot from TT. Tough luck. Shredder nails a perfectly placed forehand. TT launches a topspin, but Shredder blocks it smoothly. Shredder's forehand flies outside the table. TT's backhand misses the mark. TT sends a topspin, and Shredder sends his return wide. Forehand by TT, and Shredder's return hits the net. TT places a perfect forehand into the corner. Shredder's forehand hits the net. TT wins the match. Topspin Tornado takes the win. Despite Paddle Shredder's powerful smashes and epic rallies, TT's precision and control sealed the deal. A thrilling match, but today the Tornado couldn't be stopped.
It is not just ping pong, everybody. It's ping-pong-tastic.